Hi there, just a short video on an introduction to my new oscillator, the Sinc Iter, which sounds like Cockney rhyming slang, but it isn't, it's really good. So, it's a VCO obviously, it's got three modes, plain, super and noise. The plain morph knob goes from sine, triangle, saw, square, sine, and then a folded sine. This pitch knob up here, if you tap it and it goes green, then you're in fine tuning. If not, it goes through 23 octaves, so it can be used as an LFO as well. I'm not going to mess around with this stuff this time. This is just to make some noises. There's a tiny bit of reverb coming from a big sky, if that's possible. And yeah, I've got two outputs. One's a bi, which I'm going to mess around with first, and then the uni, singular, I'm going to stick through cinnamon a little bit as well. This is just a video because there didn't seem to be many videos on the Syncheater before I bought it, so I thought, well, I'll just make one so that you guys can hear what it sounds like. So here we go, alright? Noise. Well, no, not noise, sorry. Plain. Okay, next up, super, which is 6 oscillators, apparently. I don't understand this one yet. Okay, now we're going to do some stuff through the cinnamon filter. This is still super. This is band parts Okay, we're going to go back to just normal. This is going to be noise, which is my favourite, because I like noise. Oh yeah. by, and let's mess around with some noise. God, I love that. Okay, yeah, I'd normally stick 8 tons of reverb on that noise, but I haven't today. So that's just a really brief overview. No modulation happening whatsoever, just me twiddling. So thanks for watching. I'll probably make another video when I've worked out what all the other holes do. So thanks very much for watching. Syncheater Part 1. Here's a little sequence.